Assalamu alaikum. This is Lubna Shaheen. Today I am going to record a new episode of review about a TED Talk, that is Dale Lane. First of all, let me introduce Mr. Speaker. The Dale Lane is a software developer at IBM, but his work extends far beyond corporate technology. He is a passionate advocate for bringing artificial intelligence education to a wider audience, particularly children. He is the creator and author of Machine Learning for Kids, a platform designed to demystify AI by allowing young students to build their own machine learning models using a specified blocks based programming interface. The initiative reflects his own core philosophy that understand AI is not about becoming a computer scientist, but about gaining a basic literacy of how these systems work, what their limitations are, and how they can be used creatively. His background at IBM, where he worked on the company's famous Watson AI platform, gives him an insider's perspective on the technology. But his true skill lies in making complex concepts approachable and engaging for everyone. So, Dale Lane's TED Talk his topic is education in the age of AI. Is not a frustic forecast of a robot-filled classroom. Instead, it is a thoughtful and grounded argument for a fundamental shift in how we approach education. His central thesis is that in a world where AI is becoming ubiquitous, the most important skills are not technically coding abilities, but the uniquely human capabilities of creating problem solving, critical thinking, and empathy. The talk is a compelling call to action, urging us to teach students how to teach an AI rather than simply how to program one. So, Lane begins by dispelling the myth of AI as a complicated science fiction concepts. He makes it relatable by designing and describing it as a new way of thinking about computing. He explains that traditional programming is about providing a computer with a set of explicit instructions like recipe. AI or machine learning, on the other hand, is about giving a computer examples and letting it figure out the rules of itself. So, this is the core principle he wants to bring into schools. One of the most effective and memorable example he uses to illustrate this is the cat or dog classifier. He describes how you would give a computer a list of millions of rules about what constitutes a cat versus a dog. Instead, you could show it a larger number of pictures of cats and dogs and label them as such. The computer then learns to identify patterns and creates its own rules. So Lane's work with children shows that how this can be powerful learning tool. The students are not just passively receiving information; they are actively curating the data and seeing the results of their training in real time. So this hands-on approach makes the abstract concept of machine learning tangible and fun. Another standout example he shares is from a school project where students were challenged to create their own version of the sorting hat from Harry Potter. Instead of writing codes to sort people by predefined traits, the students trained by an AI by giving its example, they would input a name and the house they thought that person belonged to, and the AI learned from these choices. So this project, which was about data collection and creative interpretation, shows how AI can be a tool for exploration and critical thought rather than just a technical exercise. It just shifts the focus from the answer to the process of arriving at an answer. Lane argues that the skills we need to teach are not how to write a Python script, but how to think about the data we feed into a machine. He emphasizes the importance of understanding bias in data, questioning the outcomes of AI, and having the creativity to imagine new ways to use the technology. This is what he means by teaching children how to teach an AI. It involves considering ethical implication, understanding why an AI might make a particular decision, and a collaboration to solve problems. He concludes by returning to the human elements. He states that as AI automates more and more tasks, the skills that will become most valuable are those that are uniquely human: creativity, critical thinking, and empathy. These are the skills that allow us to use to ask the right questions, decisions, and problems for AI to solve and work collaboratively to work meaning in our lives. The talk is a powerful and optimistic message that the role of a teacher in the age of AI is not to compete with the technology but to prepare students to be compassionate, creative, and the critical thinkers who will guide it. So this TED Talk is a masterful deconstructions of a complex topic presented in a way that is accessible and inspiring. Dale Lane successfully reframes the conversation around AI in education from one of fear and technological mastery to one of the human creativity and ethical responsibility. He uses simple, effective examples to show that the most important lessons we can teach our children about AI are not about the code itself, but about the data that informs it and the human values that should guide it. So, this was the review of Dale Lane's TED Talk from my side. I will definitely try to figure out the more topics like this and will come back to you soon again. Thank you.